Today, we're unpacking a court case that completely changed workplace safety in India.
This powerful quote really sets the stage for what became a fight for safety and dignity. All right, so our story begins with the incredible courage of one woman, Banwari Davies. Because she stopped a child marriage, she faced a horrific assault. In the justice system, it completely failed her. The police, doctors, the courts, every system that should have protected her just turned away. This absolute injustice sparked a movement. Activists took the fight straight to India's Supreme Court. But the activists faced a huge problem, a massive, gaping hole in Indian law. Believe it or not, India had no specific law for workplace sexual harassment at the time. The argument was powerful. This wasn't just a crime, it violated fundamental constitutional rights. And the Supreme Court agreed, seeing it as a clear violation of these fundamental rights. With no domestic law to use, the court looked to international conventions that India had signed. The court's logic was simple. The right to life with dignity means a safe working environment. This was a critical first step. The court provided a clear official definition for sexual harassment. Using its special powers, the court created binding guidelines for every single workplace in India. And these new duties put the responsibility squarely on employers to create a safe workplace. A huge part of this was the new Complaints Committee, designed to be impartial and fair. So, in 1997, the Vishaka Guidelines became the binding law of the land.
But these guidelines were only meant to be temporary. It took 16 more years for Parliament to act.
Finally, in 2013, the guidelines were made into a formal law, the POSH Act. This new act turned the guidelines into a permanent legal framework for all workplaces. So, what does this nearly 30-year-old fight for justice actually mean for you today?